In social studies, we will be talking about communities. And in chapter 1, we will be talking about what is a community. We will learn about what a community is, and a community is a place where people live, work, and play. A community is also a place where people solve problems together. Here is one type of community. What do you see? In this community, where do people live? Maybe you see houses or apartments, townhomes, condos, mobile homes. Where do people work? Maybe you saw stores, restaurants. Where do people play? Movie theaters and parks. Where do people solve problems, such as at City Hall? So a community is a place where people live. Some people live in houses, some people live in apartments, and some people live in mobile homes. And a community is a place where people work. Some people work in offices, some people work in factories, and others work in stores and restaurants. Some people work indoors, some people work outdoors. Where do people work in your community? And a community is a place where people play. People like to have fun. Many people have fun at playgrounds. Some people like to go to movies. Others have fun at museums. Where do you have fun in your community? And a community is a place where people solve problems together. Some people go to City Hall to solve problems. Some meet at a school. Some meet at a community center. Where do people you know go to solve problems? Is there more than one place? So I want you to remember that a community is a place where people live, work, and play. It is also a place where people solve problems together. An activity that you are going to do is you are going to use this chart titled Community, and you are going to make a list of places that you know in your community where people live. You're going to make a list of places in your community where people work. You're going to make a list of places in your community that people play, and places where people solve problems. And this is in the community that you live in. And this might look different than other people that you know. Every community is different. Where I live and where you live, there might be different places to play. There might be different places to work. There might be different places to live, and there might be different places to solve problems, just like with some of your classmates as well. And this is an activity that where you can actually copy down this chart, and you can copy it down into a piece of notebook paper, and you can make the list on a piece of paper. When you are finished, somebody at home can take a picture of it and email it to me.